thunderstorm warning for my county, guys.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Santa Lucia County in southeastern Michigan, Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., heavy showers producing damaging winds located along the line extending from near Yale to near Armada to near Sterling Heights, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Croswell and Emmett around 12:40 p.m. Lexington around 12:45 p.m. New Baltimore and Richmond around 12:50 p.m. Lakeport around 12:55 p.m. St. Clair around 1 p.m. Marysville around 1:05 p.m. Port Huron around 1:10 p.m. Other locations impacted include Yale, Lexington, St. Clair, Algonquin, Richmond, Lakeport, Port Huron, Mount Clemens, Warren, and New Baltimore. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Macomb, Santa Lucia, and St. Clair.